Welcome to Biggun Breaks Card Dungeon of Doom, where we're opening up this beautiful 2021 Topps Chromanium Mini Hobby Box. See if we get some good stuff in here. Oh, hopefully they're not too messed up. Hopefully. Four cards per pack. See how many signed or maybe some numbered cards we get out of this bad mamma jamma. Opened a few of these because they're relatively inexpensive. And I'm broke, so. Dalton Varsho, rookie card. Andrew McCutcheon. Yeah. Trevor Bauer. Making a face with that one. Luis Castillo. That's a pretty good card there. Good old Luigi Castillo. Prismic Powers. Evan Longoria. Decent one. David Peterson. Making another face. You know he's throwing him a fastball there. Rookie card. Got us a Bravo. Ian Anderson. Rookie card. Prismic Power, Rice Hoskins. I do like those Prismic Powers. Not too many are worth much. Oh, look, we got us a numbered card. Carlos Correa, right on the bat. Second pack, or third pack, I should say. 176 of 199. I couldn't pass that one up. And of course, it's got a big old scratch across it. Nice. Sam Huff and Puff Stuff rookie card. Wilson Ramos. Kyle Seager. I don't know what that spot is on that numbered card of Carlos Correa. But, oh well. Chris Bubick, throwing like a pubic. Rookie card. Keibert Ruiz, rookie card. Mike Yastrzemski. Never heard of her. We got Paul DeJong. It's a nice little refractory thingy-mabobber. Refractorator. Marcel Ozuna. It's a nice card there. JT Realmuto. Joe Adele rookie card with the black ice. I don't know what they call that one. Gleyber Torres. Baseball. A baseball king. Andres Jimenez rookie card. That's a good one there. Ramon Laureano. Tanner Hook rookie card with some kind of special refractor thingamabobber. And Kenta Maeda. That's a nice one. I got quite a few of his cards, but I don't have that one with the refractor. League leader. Doing the whip with the lead leaguer. Whip it real good. Wilson Contreras. Adalberto Mondesi. You can tell it's 2021 because they still got the masks on. Mike Pearson. I got quite a few of his rookie cards. That same pose. But not that refractor one, I don't think. And Kwang Hun Kim. Rated rookie card. And it's a refractor. That's a pretty decent one there. Not too shabby if I don't say so myself. Everybody wants Soto tonight. Oh, everybody wants Soto tonight. And Victor Robles. Aaron Judge. Yeah, buddy. Don't get too many of his. That's a good one there. And Michael Conforto. Nice little bling bling. Bling bling. Bling bling. Every time I come around your city, bling bling. The Mets with the Yokohama Titans. All right. William Contreras. Another Bravo rookie card. That's a good one there. Jacob deGrom. That's a good card. Oh, we got us a Shohei Ohtani. That's a good score there. Don't see many of those. Pretty nice. Showy. And then Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Dominican Republic Baseball. Trevor Story. Yeah, that's a good photo there. Good photo. Nick Madrigal rookie card. That's a good one there. Jackie Bradley Jr. I don't know that one there. It's with the Red Sox for a while, but not much of a league leader. Got Brady Singer rookie card. That's nice. Kansas City. Was with Arkansas. And then the Royals. Royals with cheese. Come on, can we get a signed card? I don't think I've gotten... I think this is my third 2021 mini box. I don't think I've gotten maybe one signed card out of them. Manny Machado. It's a good card. Tristan McKenzie, rookie. Quite a few of his. Chris Paddock. Nice shot. It's a nice card. Did not play injured. And then we got us Alex Verdugo with the big old shades. All right. Casey Mize, that's a good rookie card. 1 year. Evan White, rookie. Jeff McNeil. Zach Gallen, future star. Future so bright he don't even wear shades. 4 more packs left of this ripping and tearing event. Will Smith. That's a good guy there. Lewis Robert, rated rookie. With the White Sox, Yordan Alvarez. And Lewis Brinson. Miami. With the Marlins with Miami. Let's see. Jake Cronenworth, rated rookie. That's a good one there. Nice photo. Some good rated rookies. George Alfaro. Yadier Molina. And Gavin Lux, future stars. All the rage as a 21-year-old in 2019. Hit 392 in AAA. Youngest Dodgers player. Come on, baby. Daddy needs at least one more numbered card, and let's get at least one signed card. Holla at a playa. Luis Arias. Lance McCullers Jr. Astros and injured. Cavan Biggio. Willie Adams. Surprised that one didn't even have one rookie card. For third year with the Rays. Last pack. Come on. Pack or bust. Oh no. Oh no. Hyunjin Ryu. Toronto. Mike Clevenger. Look at that. That hair, man. Long hair don't care. Got him one show. Casey Mize with the Tigers rookie card. That's a good one there. And then, got a very off-centered Shohei Ohtani. Look how off-centered that card is. Finally get a good card. And that thing would grade for absolute shite. I mean, come on. That's bad. That is very bad. The top. It's way down. What a shame. Probably the best card in the whole box. The two best cards. One is extremely off-centered. Like, you'd have to be blind not to see it. And then the one numbered card has like a big line crease or something down it. I mean, it's about 1.5 inches long. I don't know if you can see that in the light, but yeah. What a joke. What a freaking joke. That's a shame, because that's a really nice card too. I mean, what a shame. What a shame. So, got two showies. One of them is an amazing card that's just junk because it's off-centered and cut wrong. And we had that showy there. So, good times. what cards did I miss that you guys think are good? And what's your favorite card you pulled from 2021 Topps Chrome? I think I got this for like, I don't know, like $50. Not too bad. But yeah, Biggie can't afford the $200 box. This is new stuff coming out, so I gotta buy the old stuff and just hope and pray that I get something good that's not pile. So, but thanks for watching Biggun Breaks, and tune in for more. Let me know what you think and what kind of packs you want to be open that don't cost $5 million $1,000,000. Y'all have a good night. Thank you.